In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify hosting your domain in Google Search Console. Quick guide. First, open Google Search Console in your browser and sign in with the Google account you'll use to manage your site. If you're already logged in, you might land on a dashboard with existing sites. Make sure you're on the Search Console home screen so you can add a new property. If you don't see it right away, look for the main dashboard view rather than an individual site's reports. In the top left corner, find the property selector. It's a small drop-down that shows the currently selected site, if any. Click it to expand the list. At the bottom of that drop-down, choose Add Property to start connecting your domain. You'll see two setup options. Select the domain option. This is important because a domain property covers everything under your domain: the NAWU and WW versions, all subdomains, and both HTTP and HTTPS. It's the most complete way to verify ownership and make sure your data isn't split across multiple properties. Next, enter your domain. Type only the root domain, like yourdomain.com, without HTTP, HTTPS, or any paths. Don't include a trailing slash or subdomains like gu, or blog. Keep it clean and simple, then continue. Google will now generate a TXT record that you need to add to your DNS. This record proves you own the domain. You'll see a host or name field, which for root domains is usually at or left blank, and a long value that begins with Google site verification. Copy that value exactly without extra spaces. Because this is for a Hostinger domain, you'll add the record in your Hostinger control panel. Open your hosting dashboard. Go to the DNS zone editor for the domain you entered and create a new TXT record. Set the host to @ or leave it empty if Hostinger indicates that for the root. Paste the verification value into the value field and leave TTL at its default unless you know you need something specific. Save the record. After saving, DNS changes can take time to propagate. It often takes a few minutes, but it can be longer depending on your DNS. If verification doesn't work right away, wait a bit and try again later. Make sure you didn't include protocols or typos in the domain and confirm the TXT record is on the exact domain you entered. That's it. You've reached the point where Search Console recognizes your TXT record once DNS updates, and your domain will be verified automatically when propagation completes.